For this class there is decent amount of room. I cannot complain because it's a small car, but the driver's seat is at my POV filming position, so it's a little bit further from the steering wheel. So yeah, it's a pretty basic car, but still the value for money is pretty nice actually. So yeah, we have the one tap function for the rear electric windows. The base trim has the manual windows in the rear. We don't have the armrest again at this price point. It's alright, but we have ISOFIX, no ventilation outlets here, but there are a couple of USB-C outlets, and this is quite practical cubby slash cup holder. I can position it here or in the front if I want to. The rear trunk lid is manual, obviously at this price point, but the cargo area is roomy for its class. And here we have the full size spare here with some duals which are uncovered, but still at this price point no complaining. I like to talk about the cargo area illumination a lot, so this is one pretty bright light here. We also have another one, check this out, the remover one, and I can position it in the rear or wherever I want, so it's a pretty nice camping car, I suppose. So this is the top of the line version in terms of trim levels, and engine wise it has the 1.3 liter, was it 1.3? Yeah, 1.3 liter inline 3, and it's the 4-wheel drive version, which means that it comes with the 6-speed manual. I have to say, I really enjoy it. Alright, so let's roll. I hope I won't stall it. I haven't stalled it yet, so I hope I won't stall it in this video. And for a 3-cylinder, it sounds alright. driving impressions. For a 1.3 liter 3-cylinder, it gets the job done, and the manual gearbox suits this engine really well, and it behaves for this price point really nicely. Overall, the suspension is comfortable in the city and alright in curvy roads. Again, apologizes for my squeaky boots. I'm really amazed. This car costs 27,000 euros. It has 4-wheel drive and it's top of the line version, and I cannot complain at all. I cannot find any part where it lacks or where it feels cheap. So yeah, this is like, for me, it's one of the last videos I shoot this year, and this is the biggest surprise. Definitely the biggest surprise. And this is first time I'm driving Dacia, and it really doesn't feel like a cheap car. With that out of the way, let's check out the acceleration. I haven't driven manual for a while. It was like 2 years ago when I last drove manual gearbox, but we'll see. Yeah, with my sloppy gear changes it takes a while, but it has some power. This one has blind spot monitoring. Dacia has blind spot monitoring. It's the top of the line version which has it, but still we have blind spot monitoring. Oh yeah, one downside, the high beams should be better. They are, I don't know, I can see the reflectors, but yeah, the high beams are lacking.